Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Sevilla Paskatimang. I'm the leader of Group 2 from CH class. And now we're gonna do street interview to the people from our major. And this is my team.
My name is Sakara Rumput Tendarwati.
My name is Salma Salsabella.
My name is Vinela Martanto.
My name is Yasime Rafka Sidungan Apitupul.
Selamat sore kak, maaf ganggu waktunya sebentar. Kira-kira lagi ngapain ya sekarang?
Lagi main HP aja.
Oh, kira-kira kakaknya berkenan nggak kalau masuk video wawancara kita?
Boleh.
Ya, sebelumnya kakak dari angkatan berapa?
2025.
Jurusan?
Jurusan teknik mesin.
Teknik mesinnya kak. Kalau gitu ya, terima kasih. Siap. Oke, sekarang kita lanjut mungkin cari orang yang bisa ditanyakan. Itu mungkin yang lagi ngerenung situ ya, lagi ngapain tuh ya? Boleh kita tanya. Terus mas, boleh bisa minta waktunya sebentar nggak buat wawancara? Oke, boleh. Oke. Dulunya siapa namanya? Namanya Eva. Oh Eva. Eva dari jurusan sama angkatan Aplikasi 2020. Oke. Jadi di sini kita bakal tanya-tanya sedikit ya seputar pertanyaan soal apa gitu. Tapi dalam bahasa Inggris sama nggak? Apa aja?
Kakak, sorry ganggu waktunya. Kakaknya dari jurusan dan angkatan berapa ya?
Oke, aku dari jurusan akuntansi angkatan 25.
Kebetulan banget. Jadi sekarang aku tuh lagi ada tugas bahasa Inggris, disuruh wawancara gitu, dan aku bakal nanya-nanya tentang akuntansi UB. Kakaknya berkenan nggak?
Boleh.
Okay, first of all, thank you for the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sakar, and here I'm with.
Mahrin.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you 5 questions about accounting at Universitas Brawijaya.
Ya.
Sebelumnya kakaknya sibuk atau enggak ya?
Enggak kok.
Kalau aku wawancara sebentar boleh?
Boleh.
Untuk perkenalkan, nama aku Vinela Martanto. Aku dari Prodi Akuntansi 2025. Di sini aku mau wawancara kakak untuk tugas bahasa Inggris aku. Kakaknya keberatan nggak kalau di video?
Aman.
Sebelumnya kakaknya boleh perkenalkan namanya siapa dan dari jurusan apa?
Nama aku Kaila Nabila, aku dari Prodi Akuntansi, angkatannya 2025.
Aku Farah Alia dari akuntansi juga 2025.
Jadi sebelum wawancaranya dimulai, di sini aku bakal wawancara kakaknya pakai bahasa Inggris. Tetapi untuk kakaknya itu bebas buat menjawab pakai bahasa Indonesia, Inggris ataupun bahasa campuran. Okay, before I begin, I would like to thank you guys to become our audience. Hai, sorry ganggu. Sebelumnya kamu dari akuntansi angkatan 2025 bukan? Oke, jadi aku ada tugas project bahasa Inggris dan aku mau wawancarain kamu dengan beberapa pertanyaan, boleh? Jadi nanti pakai bahasa Inggris. Oke, sebelumnya kamu namanya? Nabila.
Oke, jadi di sini gue udah sama satu orang nih. Namanya siapa? Nama gue Abel. Abel. Dari jurusan sama angkatan berapa? Jurusan akuntansi angkatan 2004. Oke. Jadi di sini tuh gue bakal wawancara lu terkait beberapa pertanyaan. Tapi dalam bahasa Inggris, nggak apa-apa. Aman.
Permisi kak, boleh ganggu waktunya sebentar? Kalau betul kakaknya dari jurusan apa dan angkatan berapa?
Jadi aku dari Prodi Akuntansi angkatan 2025.
Oke, bagus banget. Jadi aku mau ada tugas interview kak. Aku nanti tanya pakai bahasa Inggris, kakaknya boleh jawab pakai bahasa Inggris mix Indo juga boleh.
Oke, siap.
First of all, I will introduce myself first. My name is Salma Salsabella. You can call me Bella. I'm from accounting major, batch 2025 too. First of all, can you introduce yourself?
Alright, thank you for the opportunity that given to me. I am Ananda Wiratama, coming from accounting major, 2025.
Hai, sorry. Kamu dari akuntansi 2025 bukan?
Iya, benar.
Oke, sebelumnya nama kamu siapa?
Diva.
Oke, Diva. Aku mau minta izin buat kamu buat aku wawancarain buat project bahasa Inggris aku dan kita pakai bahasa Inggris, boleh?
Boleh.
Oke.
Permisi kak, boleh minta waktunya sebentar?
Oh, boleh.
Kalau boleh tahu kakaknya dari jurusan apa dan angkatan berapa?
Kebetulan aku dari akuntansi angkatan 25, maba mbak.
Oh,
Iya.
pas banget. Jadi aku ada tugas nih interview pakai bahasa Inggris buat maba akuntansi 2025. Kakaknya nanti aku tanya pakai bahasa Inggris, tapi kakaknya boleh jawab pakai bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa
Iya,
Inggris.
boleh.
First of all, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Salma Salsabella. I'm also accounting major batch 2025. So can you introduce yourself too?
Okay, let's introduce myself. I Ahmad Zainul Fahmi. So, as you say before, I'm from accounting 25.
Kak. Sorry, boleh ganggu waktunya nggak? Boleh. Jadi kakaknya dari jurusan dan angkatan berapa?
Dari jurusan akuntansi angkatan 2025.
Nah, kebetulan banget nih Kak, jadi aku lagi ada tugas bahasa Inggris. Aku disuruh wawancara, kira-kira kakak berkenan nggak?
Berkenan.
Okay. First, thank you for the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sakar Arum, and here I'm with.
Adinda Kolbian Mahmudah.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you 5 questions about accounting at Universitas Brawijaya. First thing first, I want to ask you, why do you choose this university?
Because Brawijaya University is my dream university.
Is in one of the most best campus in Indonesia, and yeah, because my house is near, not that near actually, it's 8 kilometers from University of Brawijaya.
Brawijaya University has a lot of good facilities. Universitas Institut di Malang.
Because it is one of top 10 university in Indonesia, and I think that this campus is a comfortable campus because the Brawijaya has a good reputation.
Because I heard that this university is good, especially in economy and business.
Closest to my hometown, which is Pasuruan.
Brawijaya has a strong academic reputation.
I choose Brawijaya University because first I'm majoring accounting, and I heard that FEB in University Brawijaya is one of the most greatest faculty in Indonesia, so that's why I choose UB. Okay.
I choose this university because the university located in the city where quite people who have safe environment.
Different of some people, I choose UB because it's near of my house.
I see. In Brawijaya University, in this university, you choose Faculty of Economic and Business. Can you explain why do you choose Economic and Business faculty?
Okay, FEB UB. I see FEB UB is there's a strong legacy.
Faculty of Business here is one of the best in Indonesia. So that's why I choose it. Because in high school I take economics my interest. So you choose the social class. It's same with the person we last interview.
Because I want to major in accounting.
Aku emang tertarik sama dunia bisnis.
I choose Faculty of Economic and Business because since I was a kid, I like to deal with something related in economics and business. That's why I choose FEB.
Because this faculty offers accounting major.
A lot of people, a lot of multinational companies, especially the government itself, ASN or something like that, is needed an economic.
Karena ada prodi yang aku incar di fakultas ini.
Choose Faculty of Economic and Business because I'm interested in economic, and I think that the knowledge from this faculty is very useful for future.
Oh, okay. Then why did you choose accounting as your major?
I choose accounting because I'm genuinely interested of how financial information works, and I think that accounting has good and strong career opportunities.
Okay.
And my parent is why accounting because my parent is work in the tax department.
Akuntansi UB itu kan termasuk dalam prodi akuntansi terbaik se-Indonesia ya.
I want to be an auditor.
Right.
So that is why I choose this.
Because I think every company in the future will need engineer. If you find any company that you get interest, I think I will choose a bank. So you will work in bank company like that.
Because personally, I think accounting taught me a lot about finance, dealing with data, money, and I like some things like that. And I like to seek opportunity in the future with my major. Okay.
For my major, I choose accounting because I see the prospect of work of accounting.
I choose accounting as my major because in high school I got accounting and I really love accounting. Oh, so get the social class. Yes.
Menurut aku akuntansi ini salah satu fondasi yang penting buat dunia bisnis. Jadi
Jadi aku nggak cuma bisa belajar bisnis, tapi juga bisa belajar kayak finance, auditing, atau bahkan ya tadi entrepreneur gitu.
Okay, move on to the next question. Is Brawijaya University your guys' dream university?
Ya itu dream campus aku.
Aku juga ya.
How do you guys prepare yourself before entering Brawijaya University?
Kalau aku karena dulu masuk UB jalur UTBK ya, jadinya aku udah masuk les yang memang specialty-nya untuk belajar UTBK itu dari awal kelas 12. Jadi aku belajar kurang lebih 10 bulan.
Honestly, no, but unexpectedly, I enjoyed here.
But what do you feel when you're accepted to UB?
No reaction, but like, yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
So how did you prepare yourself before entering this university? I just tried to deliver a good score in high school. 3 years.
It's my dream university.
Okay. Because yes, how did you prepare yourself before entering Brawijaya University?
I got into Brawijaya through SNBP, so I prepare myself by keeping my grades good and yeah, that's all.
Okay.
I'm not prepared about joining the UB because I'm from SMBP line.
So how did you prepare yourself before entering this university?
So basically I started by SMBP, that's the first time, and I studied very hard for the test.
Yes.
Okay, and then how did you prepare yourself before entering UB?
I go to bimbingan belajar gitu and study at home.
Okay.
Kalau aku sama kayak Lea juga, aku TBK, jadi aku ikut les, terus aku juga belajar mulai dari awal kelas 12 ya. Iya, terus ya itu dah pokoknya tiap hari nggak ada terus
Iya,
ya
TO
belajar,
mulu,
TO mulu hidupnya.
Actually, yes. Okay. How did you prepare yourself before entering Brawijaya University?
I got into this university by UTBK, so I have to deal with a lot of things, like I have to learn joining Bimbel, and before 1 month before in the UTBK, I'm joining like intensive Bimbel in Yogyakarta, which is so much worth it. And from that, yeah, I think that's all for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am crying because seeing they are proud of me.
And the last question is, what's something you did not expect about being a university student?
I think the schedule for me is very interesting.
Why?
For example, in the morning you got class, and then you don't get class until the evening. So in that transition time, you can do anything you want.
So in the afternoon, you did not get to the class.
Yeah.
Kan kalau di sekolah dulu SMA SMP kita udah terjadwal rapi kan, jadi kayak kita tinggal ngikutin jadwal itu. Kalau di sini kadang nggak gitu, fleksibel banget kan. Jadi emang justru menurutku challenge-nya di situ, di fleksibilitas itu.
Iya.
Gimana kita bisa manfaatin waktu dengan sebaik mungkin gitu sih.
The time. We must to manage our time. Pintar-pintar mereka mengatur waktu gitu.
Right. Time management is
Yes.
challenging for freshmen, right?
Right.
Okay, and that's I moved in here from Jakarta, so at first it was hard for me to adapt the environment, but as time goes by, I can just naturally adapt the environment. Yeah,
So I find it quite difficult to to gathering with people that have a one mindset with me.
There's a lot of things that I didn't expect because it's a new environment, it's a new friend, so I have to adapt to it. And one of the things I can explain, I think, is the way the lecturer teach us, because it's so much different from high school.
Emang fleksibilitas itu yang jadi biggest challenges, dan apalagi kalau semisal ada tanggal merah yang mengakibatkan kita ibaratnya utang kelas gitu ya. Apalagi juga ada dosen yang mungkin tiba-tiba minta ganti jam atau mungkin cancel kelasnya karena ada keperluan tertentu gitu. Itu sih yang bikin kaget.
Brawijaya University studentnya is very ambitious and very smart.
I didn't expect that university life would require so much independence. Like I have to manage my time and my responsibilities more serious than in high school.
At first, I thought college would be more relaxed, but apparently there's a lot of research assignment that I have to spend up because the assignment in here is so difficult for us and different with semester.
And that's our last question.
Okay.
Thank you, Nando, for having time with me. Have a nice day.
Okay. Thank you so much, Diva.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a good day.
So mungkin segitu aja Mas Abel. Siap, makasih banget waktunya. Makasih. Siap.
Since that's the last question, I'm really thankful to your guys already give me a best answer. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate your time and have a good day. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you so much, Nabila.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Our last question. Thank you. Have a good day, Zeno.
Thank you, Bella.
Okay, so thank you for the opportunity and I appreciate your time and have a good day. Bye bye.
Mungkin itu aja pertanyaan yang bisa gue kasih. Terima kasih banget ya Mas Evan.